So I was kind of going back and forth deciding on what I wanted to do, and my counselor suggested dual enrolling at Delta to kind of reduce the amount of hours that I'm spending at school, but also get a head start on, my college career. So I kind of went back and forth and talked to my parents, and I decided that that would be a great option. And so I took her advice, and I'm really glad that I did. The summer, June of 2019, I started my own bakery business, and I kind of came off of a marketing assignment I had in school. After going back and forth and talking to people, it was something that I wanted to do as an actual business as well. But through the pandemic and through just like a lot of free time that I had, I started working on cakes and cupcakes and other sort of treats. And it's really grown since then. And it's something that I'm super passionate and super proud of. I think Delta helps me think big because it really pushes me to be the best student I can be. And some of the classwork and stuff that I face has been a little bit more challenging than I'm used to, a little bit more daunting than some of my traditional high school English assignments. And I've had to, think outside the box and really push myself. But in reality, I'm really only pushing and help enhancing these skills that I'm going to need for the rest of my, educational life and even in the future. So it just has given me a really nice head start to kind of really push myself and to be more driven than what I'm used to.
Get a head start on your future by dual enrolling. Learn more at delta.edu.